Hello children, now I taught you to write letter O, letter A, letter D, letter G, letter Q, letter C, letter J, letter E, letter H, letter I, letter L, letter T, letter U, letter V. Now I am going to teach you how to write W, right? Now here, this is how you are writing W. Here, this is very easy to write on top of this and learn. Here, look, W. Then can write alone. Here, W. We learn to write writing patterns and use scissors, cut papers, tear papers, and now your fingers are fit to write and you have good hand control. Now can write letters. And later we are going to write figures also, right? Now here, this letter we call W. Now here, dotted lines here, dotted W. I am going to trace W here. W. Now here, another one. Here, W. W. Okay. Now going to write alone. What is this letter? W. W. Okay. Now here, once again writing here, W. Now lot of letters we learn to write. Okay. Thank you for listening, children.